Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Buick Encore Sport. This one's red. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black interior. Come around back. Encore all-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate. Set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Keyless entry. Power windows, power seats. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This Buick has 11,647 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Buick, check out feldmanimports.com.